What's going on, guys? It's Mchanga back with another video. I've gotten several questions about how do you go about finding all of the free content available on your Amazon Fire TV devices. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find it. Now, if you're using something other than a Fire TV device, let's say you're using the Nvidia Shield TV or an Apple TV or Roku, if you're using any of those devices, I will be posting a video for those separate devices coming soon, so make sure you're subscribed for that. Okay, so for my Amazon Fire TV Cube and Fire Stick users, let's go ahead and dive into the tutorial. I typically recommend that you're in front of your device and following along as I go through the steps, but since this is so simple, if you're not in front of your Fire TV device right now, that's okay. You can always revisit the video, or you may even remember the steps because it's super easy. On the home screen here, the first thing you want to do is scroll down to Your Apps and Channels. You're going to see where it says Your Apps and Channels. This is where you can find your current apps and channels that you have installed, as well as some that are available that you don't currently use on your device. So the first one we're going to scroll over to is Imdb Tv. I've covered this streaming option that is free in another video. I'll leave it linked below if you want to check it out. But when you locate Imdb TV, go ahead and click on it. As soon as you click on it, you're going to see the movies that you have available right away. And you can scroll through the list to see. You're also going to have some TV options. You can find what are the movies of the week. Several different categories. Like I said, I've covered this particular streaming app in a separate video that's linked below, but it's completely free and it's already included with your Fire TV device. Alrighty, so we're going to move on to our next streaming app. So all you have to do is press the back button on your remote, and we're going to scroll down the list here. Another option that I've covered in a video is Crackle. All you have to do is go ahead and click on Crackle. It tells you right on the app it offers free movies and TV. If you don't have it already downloaded or installed on your device, you can do that now. On my screen, you're going to see the option to download it because I've already installed this app on my other Fire devices. You're probably going to see Get. If you've never installed Crackle on any of your Fire TV devices, you're probably going to see the Get option, and that's what you want to click on. You want to click on either Get or Download. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Download here. It's going to go through the process of downloading, then installing. Now, if you're not familiar with Crackle, you don't have to worry about having any kind of subscription. All of the movies and TV shows, they are free. Okay, so once it's complete with the installation, you can go ahead and click on Open. Now, if you want to be able to save your favorites, you definitely want to go ahead and log in or create an account to use. But in this video, I'm going to skip that step. And then you're going to see what's available to watch right now. So you can scroll through and see what's spotlighted. But you're going to see all of your options right here on the left side. If you want to click on TV shows, you can do that. When you click on TV shows, they have some Crackle originals. You can click on movies to see what's available. You even have Crackle original movies as well. So let's say I want to watch Angel of Death. I can click on that right here. Give it a moment to load up. So I have the option to either watch it later or I can watch it right now. Now, if I want some recommendations on other things that I might like based on me watching this movie, you can choose the You Might Also Like option. Alrighty, so it's a really nice interface, really easy to use. But of course, if you guys have any questions, feel free to just ask me and I'll be happy to help if I can. All right, so that covers Crackle. So we're going to go ahead and move on out of this app. And all I'm doing is using the back button on the remote to leave the application. All right, so let's go ahead back down to your apps and channels, and we're going to scroll through the list. Okay, so once you come to the end of your list and you don't see any others that you're interested in or any others that I've mentioned in my videos, now we're going to do a search. So all you have to do is scroll up using your remote. You're going to see the little search icon in the left-hand corner. Once you click on that, you can search for whatever application you're looking for. It's the same search you would use if you're searching for a specific movie or TV show. So in this case, we're going to search for Tubi. T-U-B-I. It's going to auto-populate, but I'm just going to spell it out just for you guys that are just listening without looking. And once you find it, just go ahead and click on it. It should be the very first option in the list. So go ahead and click on Tubi. Now you're going to see the Get option. So just click on Get. It's going to let you know right there it's free to download, so you don't have to worry about paying any subscription fee or anything like that. Once it's done downloading and installing, all you have to do is click on it to open it. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. When it first loads up, you're going to see some of the featured movies that are available. They're going to be right on the home page. But of course, you can scroll down to things like most popular, comedy, black cinema, horror, family movies, action, and the list goes on. Also, if you look to the left, you have a search option. So if there's something specific you want to search for, you can use it here. You can choose your categories. So you can go through the list here, find the category you like, and access them right here. Also, you have channels available. So if I click on channels, you can see some of the networks that are available here. Again, Tubi is a great app. I've covered it in a separate video. I'll leave it linked below. And of course, if you have questions about it, or if you just want to comment on something you watched that you like, jump down in the comment section. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and exit out of Tubi. And we're just going to go back to the home screen here. And the last one that I'm going to cover in this video is Xumo. Xumo is a great option, completely free. Now, once you search and install Tubi, you're going to see that it's going to be located in apps and games. Since you're searching for that kind of content, you can scroll over and it's going to be a lot of other recommendations included in the list. Xumo is one of those. Now, if by chance you don't actually see Xumo in the apps and games section, all you have to do is go back to your search. I'm going to press the home button on my remote, scroll back to the left to the search, and all you have to do is type in Xumo, Xumo. And once you type it in, you can go ahead and click on it, and it should be the first option there. I'm going to click on it. Again, you're going to see the option to get it. Just click Get. If you've used it before, then just click on Download. Once it's done downloading and installing, just click Open. And you're going to get that nice TV guide layout to pull up, and you can scroll through like I've already showed you in the other video. Scroll through, find what you're looking for, click on it right here on that home page. But you can also scroll over to the left and you can access the movies that are available. They're all for free. They even have an on-demand section. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up how you find free movies and TV shows directly on your Amazon Fire TV devices. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you're using any other streaming device like the NVIDIA Shield TV, Roku, Apple TV, make sure you stay tuned for the upcoming videos on those devices. If you found this to be helpful and/or informative, hit the like button. If you feel like it, jump down in the comment section and let me know you like it. Make sure you share this video to help out my channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to tap the bell notification so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. It's definitely been a pleasure sharing with you. I appreciate you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.